Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And welcome to chilly Florida.
Uh-huh.
What are we doing today?
It's time for us to buy some groceries.
All right, let's get to it.
Okay, so we're grabbing one bag of Cheetos, and it looks like it's on rollback. That's 50 cents less than it was last week. So, hey, it's true. That is sweet. And we are grabbing 2 of these Pringles, and they're $1.96, right?
Yes.
$1.96 each, and we bought 2 of them. We're going to grab one of these queso flavored baconettes. Okay, and now we're going to grab this peppermint and spearmint. It's $3.12 according to the sticker there. And we're going to get some of that for me. Okay, and we're grabbing one of these blocks of cheddar. We don't need that much, but we'll freeze however much that we don't need and have that for later. It's $7.32. I know we had stopped having coffee at home, but I'm running a little experiment. I'm going to see what happens if I add it back like 3 times a week at home. Just me. But anyway, we're grabbing this Maxwell House because, believe it or not, the generic here, the Great Value, is more expensive than this Maxwell House at that price right there. Per ounce, it's more expensive. We're also grabbing 1 thing of heavy whipping cream. That will be my coffee in the mornings, and it's $4.98. Okay, we're getting 2 of the Pop-Tarts, and they are $1.78 each. Getting 2 of these diced tomatoes with green chilies. It's like Rotel, and they're 88 cents each. 2 cans of the no salt added black beans, and they were 78 cents per can. There's a lot of people in the grocery aisle, so that's why we moved off to the side. Whoops. And then 1 thing of long grain rice, $2.94 for the bag. Okay, so we're grabbing one of these big bags of corn. It says it's $6.92, but there's no other kernel corn options. But good thing is it's in the freezer, it'll stay, and we can use it for other things in the future. No big deal.
Okay, so there's our Walmart haul. It was the total was $53.02, and this would be there. And this is what we have.
$53.02? I thought it was $59.32.
No, $53.02.
Okay.
$53.02.
All
anyway,
right.
We'll put the total right there. And this is what we have left. And that's out of a budget of $600 per month for 3 adults.
Yes. Now, normally on this week of the month, we would have been shopping for 2 weeks. But our son and daughter-in-law is coming for a visit at the very end of the month. They'll be here for like the last 5 days. And we're just not sure what we want to eat and stuff while they're here. And since we have to go grocery shopping again next week, we decided to just buy enough for this week. And then we'll worry about what we're going to have while they're here next week.
Yep.
So this is more like a 1-week haul today. So, though we did have some pretty pricey items like buying coffee again. We were a little shocked to see the Great Value so much more expensive than the Maxwell House. But hey, I got to have brand name coffee this week.
There you go. All right, let's move on to our meal plan.
All right. If you've been around for the last couple of weeks, you've been hearing us say that we're skipping a few meals, like saying what those meals are, because we have a video coming out in a couple of weeks that's going to be all these meals, and it'll be coming out on a Friday, and so you'll get to see what all of them are. So we don't, if we say them and you vote for them, you're like, you're going to see it anyway.
Yep.
Just make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss them.
That's right.
So we're going to keep a little secret there on what they are, and you'll have to tune into the video to see why we've been so secretive. So we're going to skip a few.
Pretty much all of them.
No.
Yeah, all the way down to teriyaki chicken.
Yeah, to the next week we'll have homemade pizza
and teriyaki chicken.
And that is a try something new recipe, so you are welcome to vote on that for the recipe of the week.
All right. Drop us a comment below and vote on your recipe of the week.
Teriyaki chicken.
Teriyaki chicken. And we'll be sure to get that one up on a Wednesday coming up here pretty soon.
Mm-hmm.
So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell for updates when we upload new videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Thursday. Who knows we're going to put one up. Click that notifications bell, all notifications, so you get notified when there's a new video for you to view.
Mm-hmm.
And with that said, that's going to do it today for the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And don't forget the long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.